I dress up.
Grandma style.
I'm Jenna.
And I'm Gracie.
And you are watching Bubble Bum Jenna.
So Jenna, how's life, cute salami butterfly?
Oh my god, that's so cute. I'm gonna try that in Cole Schlegel.
Yeah, you totally should.
I'm gonna help. Are you gonna help me pick out what I'm gonna wear when I sing?
Oh my god, let's do it!
Let's do it! We're gonna dress this up.
Yeah!
What?
I stubbed my toe. Hopefully you can see as I'm dressing. I'm totally undressing.
I'm not. Where's your iPod?
Can you see me?
No. She's naked right now. So, I'd watch out if I were you. Let's call stripper 911. Hi, stripper. Yes, we have stripper over here. Okay, bye. Hold on. Okay, so
We're having some technical difficulties.
some sexy difficulties. Get it right.
Yeah.
I hope you are enjoying this episode so far. This is going to be the sexiest look of the year. Let's go trick-or-treating and bus.
Oh, great.
Let's go. Here comes Gracie.
This is the first outfit. One shoe, the other one not. Luscious, working body. Yeah. It's time for the percolator. It's time for the percolator. It's time for the percolator. It's time for the percolator.
Hey y'all, this is the fluffiest skirt I know. Okay, this is so sexy. My butt crack is like, oh, yeah. It's like so fluffy. I wish this had no sleeves. It would have been so hot. So hot. I need some milk. That actually had beer in it, just to let you know. Just kidding, I'm only 13.
That's not what I got to do. Nothing fits me.
Either. Ouch! My butt crack. This is the look. I need a skirt.
I can't resist.
Hey, beautiful ones. This wouldn't go up my alley. So, yeah. Okay, so Look at, you can see my 1 foot. Go away, Gracie, no. So, I have a little red skirt. Okay, so we're going to just. We are in the mode for our last close and crazy. I'm going blue.
Is this cute?
That's fine. You don't have problems. You're fine. Isn't that cape? Yeah. Yeah.
It's time for the percolator. I look like that person from Scooby-Doo.
My hair.
I can't take it.
Over here. I love the outfit. Actually, I said this was my last outfit. I actually have one more. Look at my pants. Hold on. Let me show you these hot pants. Whoa.
They're very in the nowadays.
I feel like I'm. Step it fast. Make me feel something. See ya. I have one more outfit.
Where am I sitting there for another outfit?
What's your favorite song? Comment down below in the boxes below. Tell your friends. Tell your family. Tell your dog. Tell your bird. Tell your llama about us. Do anything for me.
I know what it is, dude. Get this off. Watch.
One try. What'd you break?
I didn't break anything except for that shoe.
She stepped on her shoe. I think she broke her foot. After this video, we're going to the hospital. Don't try any of this at home.
Please don't. supposed to be a strapless shirt. No, it's not. It is.
I'm a sexy lady. How hot am I? How hot am I? Right down below. Work it, girl, work it. Here comes Gracie.
Yeah.
Say that ending. Should I end it? Should I end it? I'll be broke. You like my sparkle? Do you like my sparkly headband? If you love it, comment. Goodbye.